card set. Dude. Oh, it comes out in January? That's so soon. Chat, since we're talking about Pokemon, let's do a thing. Let's do a thing. It's gonna work. Zoom in closer. Wait, I'm already zoomed in, I think. Chat, I found a pack that was unopened. My last Pokemon pack. Ad's about to start. Let me snooze that. Let's open the pack. Wait, sorry, chat. Let me just do a thing. Okay. Oh, dropping things. Dropping all the things. And what I wanted to show was I still have like all of these to open. There's a lot in here. I wonder how many. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna say like 20 packs still to open. Okay. Let's do this. I'm looking through Simon decks, variations, individual of each of the Drake. There's the sounding. Oh, thank you, dude. Thank you, dude. Yeah, anything with a star, Bucky, is someone who's on Chaos. And we usually draw them as their Sona, their reference. And then yeah, without the stars, either from memory or like I might Google something just as a little reference. Okay, guys, tell me what element we're gonna get. So I forgot how to do this. Is it 1, 2, 3? Is that how it goes? Oh, was it 1? No, it's 1 now, isn't it? I don't know. What element do we reckon, chat? Water, fire, grass, lightning, psychic, electric. I'm gonna say electric. Steel, I think, dark. You reckon fire? Say electric. Water? Any more guesses, chat? Any more? We got grass. We're all wrong. We're all wrong. Also, that is shiny. Wait, what? That's a shiny energy. I don't know if you can tell, but it's shiny. You can like just see it. It's got like an interesting pattern. It's a Pokeball pattern. Are they meant to be shiny? I can't remember. Okay, we've got a Joltik. We've got a Houndoom. Houndour, sorry. Zora. Beware. Ooh. What the hell is this? Genesect. I like the reflections in this. I need to draw something shiny like that. Night Stretcher. What does this even do? Put a Pokemon or basic energy card from your discard pile into your hand. Colress Tenacity. Another thing I need to do. I need to work on background, like interior backgrounds like that. Ah, took up the same Pokemon. Reverse Hollow. Chat, I see something sparkly. We're getting something sparkly. Another Reverse Hollow. Seadra. The last one is Copper. Oh, how do I even say that? Copper Raja. It's not as shiny as I thought. I saw rainbows. I got extra excited. I mean, it's still kind of cool. That was the final one for the set. Guys, does anyone collect these? If you do, here's the code card. Let me know if you use it. Free screenshot it or take